Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a great day today. I am going to be creating an eye look using these 4 awesome cream shadows that Mary Kay just came out with. They retail $14 each. A little goes a long way. So I'm going to show you how you can build on to the color. And I'm also going to be using my fingers with these to show you how easy it is to use. And without further ado, here we go. I've already put my CC cream on. This is light to medium. This is a great everyday look that kind of gives you that nice coverage that you're looking for if you just don't want to get glammed up. All right, so I'm going to start off with these 2 colors here. The first color is Pink Starlight, and then the second one is going to be Meteor Shower. So I'm going to do this all over my eyelid, and then this just on my lid. Okay, so this is going to go all the way up to my brow bone. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll be using my mirror so I can see a little bit better. So it comes with a dough applicator, as you can see. I also have them swatched on my arms here. So you just glide it on. It's nice and creamy. Don't be afraid of it. And you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to gently just put it all over tap it in to your eyelid all the way to your brow bone. So there you go. And then on the same thing on the other side. This is not waterproof. It's like cream to powder, which is nice. So this actually works great with the Chroma Fusion eyeshadows that Mary Kay has. I'll show you my palette with that in a second. Alright, so I did all over eyeshadow, as you can see. It's really nice. It's like a light pinky shimmery type. Very nice, very light as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take Meteor Shower. It's kind of like a pretty slate color. So I'm going to take off the excess like so, and put it right on my eyelid. Again, a little goes a long way. Use your ring finger. And you're just going to gently tap it. Now, you can be done here, right? You can add your ultimate mascara, do your brow tint, and then be done here. It's totally fine. You don't have to go any further. If this is a look you want to do, go on with your bad self. But I'm going to go ahead and build upon this so you can see how easy it is to work with. All right, so you can see it's giving my eye look some depth, right? Very cool. And then now what I'm going to do is take Purple Nova, and I'm going to do 2 dots here, right? So I'm going to do it right on the corner, and then I'm going to gently with my ring fingers bring it up a little bit to the inner crease here to give it some depth, right? I have hooded eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And again, this is very pigmented, this color right here, but if you just do a little dot, use my dot like that, see, that's all you need. That is all you need to give it some depth. So just very gently do it on the bottom, at the edge of your outer corner of your eye, and just bring it up just a tiny bit. Don't go too crazy. And again, same thing over here. See how that changed the whole look? So this is a great like day to night, or if you just want to get just a tiny bit more glam, totally fine. I would totally rock this at work. It's very subtle, it's not intense. So, okay. And then the final step to this look, I'm going to go ahead and use Light Beam. Now Light Beam has a little bit of glitter in it. It's very shimmery, very pretty. So a little goes a long way. There's not too much fallout from what I've tried. It doesn't fall onto your face or anything like that. I'm going to use my ring finger. I'm going to put a dot here, in my inner corners, and then I'm also going to do the center of my eyelids to kind of make me look more awake. So So one dot here, one dot here, in my inner corner of my eye. It just kind of reflects the light and makes my eyes look wider. I don't know, I like it. I like it. So here we go. And I'm gonna tap this in my brow bone, and it kind of gives it like an uplift, instant eye lift, which is great. And tap it into my other brow bone, like so. Tap into my inner corners, like so. It was so pretty. So pretty. So that's that. And then the last part of the look, the center of the eyelid. Just a tiny bit. You don't want to overdo it. See? All right. So here is the 4 looks. The look using all 4 eyeshadows, completely easy. You could totally just do this on your crease by itself and then kind of blend it in a little bit to make it lighter with this pink Starlight. I can do another look if that's something you guys are interested in seeing. But that's basically it. And then again, like I was saying with the Mary Kay eye palette, it actually goes with the eyeshadows that the Chroma Fusion that they have. Very, very pretty. Some of these are really pigmented and others are really like shimmery and stuff. So, but these each retail $6.50. I currently have a sale on them right now. Not these, the other ones that I have in stock. And I'm going to go ahead and finish the eye look using the Ultimate Mascara in the color Black Brown. And the applicator looks like this. Right? I'll go ahead and do that on my upper lashes. And the same on the other side. Be careful not to poke your eyeball out or scratch it. This happened to me before. I was way too much in a hurry. Alright, so that's that. See? Adding glam. And I like the black brown because it kind of gives you a little more subtle look for your eye look. You can totally do black, obviously, and I do like using the black color too. But for some reason, I just feel like this gives you like a softer look. And then last but not least, I'm going to do my brows using the Mary Kay brow tint in the color Brunette. So you just go ahead and follow your eyebrow bone and where your hair is, and very gently do short, wispy flicks so you see the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Now you want your eyebrows to be sisters, not twins. Because it's, you make them look like twins, they don't look natural. So wipe off the excess a bit more. All right. So this is the completed look, and we're all set to go out. And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and use the blush. And what I'm going to do is use a Scott Barnes brush, fluffy brush. This is number 67. And what I'm going to do is probably do this one right here. And I'm just going to slide it like that and take off the excess. And then smile and do it on the circle of my cheeks, like so. Use the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And it gives you like that healthy, soft glow. And then I'm going to dab in there again. Smile so you can do it right on the corner of the cheeks. And swipe it up all the way to your hairline. And then last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and use the new berry color. I think that'll look nice with this look that Mary Kay came out. And I'm going to take my applicators, my brushes, so I can use this. Okay. And I'm doing that because I'm using a sample pack instead of actually using the lipstick. Obviously, you're using the lipstick, you wouldn't have to use that applicator unless you really wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. It's so nice and creamy. It's such a pretty color. I did not think I was going to like this color as much as I do, but it's so nice. So you want to go ahead and apply it. Keep applying it. So it just gives it like a nice little berry color. Now you can use the light pink too as well with this color, or you can use a nude, completely up to you, whatever you feel more comfortable. Because the eyeshadow is not as intense, right? This may be intense for some people, it's not for me. I feel like this berry color complements it very well, so that's the reason why I'm using it. I hope you guys like this look. If you guys want to see more, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.